Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to boost your YouTube channel growth with short, snappy, and engaging videos? Well, today, we're diving into YouTube Shorts. What they are, why they matter, and how you can create amazing shorts using free tools. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to create your very first viral short. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less. Think of them as YouTube's answer to TikTok or Instagram Reels. They're perfect for showcasing quick tutorials, funny moments, highlight reels, or sharing creative, snackable content with your audience. Why are shorts important? More views. Shorts are displayed on a special short shelf on YouTube, giving you more visibility, boost engagement. They're easy to consume, meaning more likes, comments, and shares. Perfect for beginners. You don't need expensive equipment or a huge following to start. So, ready to create? Let's get into the process. Before we jump into the apps and editing, take a moment to plan your short. Pick a topic. Ask yourself, what value does this video bring? Is it funny, educational, or inspiring? For example, a life hack in 30 seconds, a quick recipe, or a 15-second motivational quote. Write a simple script. You only have 60 seconds, so every word matters. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT. Keep it concise and engaging. Get your tools ready. You don't need fancy gear. A smartphone is perfect for recording. Now, let's talk about the apps and tools you'll need to create and edit your YouTube Shorts. CapCut, free video editor. Why use it? CapCut is one of the easiest and most powerful tools for editing vertical videos. Features: add music, text, and effects. Speed up or slow down clips. Perfect for beginners. How to use it? Download the app from your app store. Import your video clips. Edit them by trimming, adding captions, or applying filters. Canva. Why use it? Canva isn't just for graphics, it's a hidden gem for creating engaging shorts. Features: ready-to-use templates for vertical videos. Add animated stickers, text, and transitions. Pro tip: use Canva's music library or upload your own sound effects for more personality. InShot, free video editor. Why use it? InShot is user-friendly and perfect for editing your clips on the go. Features: adjust your video's aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for shorts. Add transitions and filters. Export in high quality. YouTube Shorts, built-in camera. Why use it? YouTube itself offers a built-in tool for creating shorts directly on their app. Features: record and edit within the YouTube app. Add licensed music from YouTube's library. Great for those who want a quick, no-fuss setup. Once you've recorded your clips and opened your editing app, follow these tips. Keep it fast-paced. Engage your audience by cutting out unnecessary pauses. Add captions or subtitles. Most viewers watch shorts without sound. Apps like CapCut and InShot have auto-captioning features. Use bold, eye-catchy text. Highlight important parts of your video with large, colorful text. Leverage effects and filters, but don't overdo it. Keep it clean and professional. When your short is ready, it's time to upload it. Follow these steps for maximum visibility. Use the right format. Make sure your video is vertical and less than 60 seconds. Write a catchy title, include keywords, and keep it interesting. Add tags. Use tags like hot shorts and relevant keywords to help YouTube categorize your video. Thumbnail. Although shorts often autoplay, a good thumbnail still attracts clicks. Post consistently. You don't need to create daily shorts, but posting regularly helps with growth. Want to go viral? Here are some bonus tips. Start with a hook. Grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Evoke emotion. Make your viewers laugh, cry, or feel inspired. Experiment with trend. Follow popular challenges or music trends to increase your chances of being featured on the shorts shelf. Add a call to action. End your video by asking viewers to like, comment, or subscribe. And that's it, friends. With these simple steps and free tools, you're now ready to create your first YouTube short. Remember, the key is to start small, experiment, and have fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more creator tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your first YouTube short going to be about? See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.